Hello and welcome to Let's Study English. Today's episode is going to be a reading session. The power of colors. At the beginning, I need to ask you a question. What does it mean by a colorblind person? And how he sees pictures or colors? Yeah, it's the decreased ability to see colors or differences in colors. There are different types of color blindness, and in extremely rare cases, people are unable to see any color at all. The most common forms are known as red-green color blindness. You can see now in the picture the difference between the normal vision, red-green color blindness, and blue-yellow color blindness. Another question for you. What do you associate the colors red, yellow, and blue with? If you ask me this question, I might say that I always associate red with blood, yellow with the sun, and blue with the sky and seas. Before we start reading the text, we need to study some blocking vocabulary. The first word that we need to know is associate with. We also can say associate with and associate with. So we have three ways to say this word. I can say associate with, and associate with. Associate with means to make a connection in your mind between one thing or person and another. Like some people always associate the color red with apples. Others associate the color black with night. Synthetic dye. Synthetic dye. Synthetic dye is a man-made substance that it changes the color of things. Dominance. Dominance. Dominance means being more important or powerful than other people or things. Stimulant. Stimulant. Stimulant is something that makes the mind or body more active. Stability. Stability. Stability means something is not likely to change. Mourning. Mourning. Mourning is sadness that you show or feel when somebody dies. Now we're going to read the article, but it's better to pause and read it silently in order to be able to mention new things you learned about the colors listed. Early humans saw a variety of natural colors around them, from the browns and greens of the soil and plants to the deep blues and red of the sky. They painted their bodies with colors from nature to signal aggression toward an enemy or to make themselves attractive to a mate. Over the centuries, the sources of colors such as blue, purple, and red were highly valued and they were often worth as much as gold. In the 19th century, a young chemistry student manufactured the first synthetic dye, and suddenly the world became a much more colorful place. In the 20th century, scientists discovered the psychological effects of colors, and people found ways to use this discovery to influence our feelings and behavior. Red. Red, the color of blood, symbolizes fire, love, and anger. In Eastern cultures, people believe it brings luck, wealth, and success. In humans, the color red can send different messages. Some people redden, for example, when they're angry or embarrassed. Researchers have discovered that in sports, the team that's wearing red is more likely to win. Why? because red seems to be the color that signals dominance, giving those dressed in red an advantage in sporting events. In many animal species, including humans, contact with this bold color causes the heart rate to increase. However, one of the red's lighter shades, pink, can have the opposite effect on people. Men in presence are less aggressive when the walls are a specific shade of pink. Yellow. Yellow, the color that comes to mind when we think of sunshine, is found throughout nature and the man-made world as a color that commands attention. Indeed, it's one of the easiest colors to see. This highly visible shade is found on everything from school buses to traffic signs and pens that we use to highlight important information in a text. The color is also used to caution people. Football players, for example, are shown a yellow card as a reminder to behave. It can be used as a stimulant as well. In a number of studies, yellow has been found to help children focus on their work and do better at school. Blue, the color of the sky and sea, is associated in many cultures with water, religious objects, and protection against evil. Its darker shades represent calm, stability, and power. Dark blue, for example, is the color of the business suit or police uniform. It tells others, I'm in control or I'm trustworthy. Blue is also associated with sadness. It's common in English, for example, when you're feeling sad or depressed, to talk about feeling blue. While in Iran, blue is the color of mourning, worn when a person dies. Like pink, blue has a calming effect on people. Rooms painted blue help people to relax or sleep. Sleeping pills are often colored blue to suggest exactly this idea. This color also seems to reduce feelings of hunger. Blue food is rarely seen in nature, and when it is, such food is no longer healthy to consume. It's just one more example of the power that color can hold over us. Now it's supposed that you read the article. So if I ask you, what are the new things you learned about the colors listed? I think you can answer. Well, if you ask me this question, I can say that red, the color of blood, symbolizes fire, love, and anger. In Eastern cultures, people believe it brings luck, wealth, and success. Related to yellow, in a number of studies, yellow has been found to help children focus on their work and do better at school. Concerning blue, the color of the sky, its darker shades represent calm, stability, and power. Now read again to choose the answers A, B, C, or D. Which fits best according to the text? The first man-made colors were produced in the 19th century, in the 20th century, only recently, centuries ago. The correct answer is in the 19th century. According to the text, the color red symbolizes bad luck, is believed to embarrass people, makes people less aggressive, gives an advantage to team members who wear it. The answer is gives an advantage to team members who wear it. Yellow is used to highlight information in a text because it's an important color, it's a highly visible color, it can be used to caution people, people prefer this color to other colors. Of course, we use this color to highlight information because it's a highly visible color. What are English speakers referring to when they talk about feeling blue? Being sad, being in control, being upset when someone dies, being calm, being sad. Now I want you to fill in the gaps with these adjectives from the text. We're going to use aggressive, attractive, depressed, embarrassed, trustworthy. Question 1. People rely on you if you are, of course, trustworthy. Question 2. If you're space, you're sad and feel that you cannot enjoy anything. Yeah, when you're depressed. Number 3. You feel ashamed or shy if you are embarrassed. When people are space, they behave angrily and violently toward others. When people are aggressive. Somebody who is a space is pleasant to look at. Somebody who is attractive is pleasant to look at.